Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of filling out a France visa application from online in 2025. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your device. Now in the search word, type France visa application and hit enter. Click on the first official link that appears. It should take you to France Visas, the official visa application website. Once you're on the homepage, click on Start Visa Application. To begin, next you will need to create an account. Click on Create an account and fill in the required details. Your first and last name, email address, preferred language, and then set a secure password. After that, you'll receive a confirmation email. Verify your email to activate the account. Now log in with your new credentials and follow on-screen instructions. You'll be asked for personal details and travel plans and document uploads. Make sure all the information you enter is 100% accurate. Mistakes can cause delays or even rejections. Once completed, download and save your application form. You'll also get a checklist of documents you need to submit at your visa appointment. And that's it. You have successfully completed your online France visa application for 2025. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and travel tutorials.